Hi guys, welcome back into another video. Today we're playing a game of Monkey where we're using this swing and basically you push each other this way and yeah, you can do a demo. You'll just show them because it's easier to do a demo than talk. We're throwing off the hat. So if you let go then you lose. This is a practice go and we're doing a tournament. If one hand comes off, they're allowed one go to keep it back on. So yeah, that's basically it. But if say Daniel fell off, then yeah, right. So yeah, real go. Push me high. So yeah, that's been. So yeah, but we'll do the actual. We'll do the real one.
Yeah. Should we do that now?
Yeah, you can do it now. So you're the first game, and then the second game will be the winner versus me. The loser, okay, because I'm terrible at the game. I've got a height advantage, so that kind of wins me, close. So if one hand falls off one time, and then the other, and Harry is out.
I'll check over filming.
Okay.
Oh, it's moving you.
Oh.
I'll go this way, so I'll smash my back because I've got a hard spine. You might have a hard spine. Overweight, okay. Oh, okay. You're pushing your end.
Alright, so we're restarting.
So you're not allowed to push. This is hard.
And Harry loses again.
Okay, so me versus
So,
Daniel.
yeah. There you go, Harry.
Oh my. And Edward wins! Well done!
So that will be
Me v Daniel now.
you versus
Losers bracket. The losers bracket. So I won. Yay! I guess so who comes second and third? Oh, close one. Oh, and he's out! Look at
You made that slippy.
how did I make it slippy?
How did I make it all this far?
All around me. Wasted. Okay, so we'll have me versus Harry for like a final, first and second guess. I kind of won, but I don't mind.
Yeah, winner. I'm saying winner, loser. And second place. Woo. Winner, chicken dinner.
Cringe.
Outro.